Okay, guys, we're going to be doing the wide grip lat pull down. You're going to want to grab an attachment that looks like this. It's going to be a wide grip. Attach it to a machine that looks like this. Put on the weight you can do properly and with good form. You're going to want to grab this a little outside your shoulders as far as the grip here. You're going to pull down. First thing you do, guys, is you're going to drive with your legs up. And what that's going to do is going to help me stay steady here. You're going to drive down. At the bottom of the rep, you're going to want to think about getting those elbows behind your back. 1, 2, 3. And down. Okay, you're getting a full squeeze here by getting those elbows behind you. 1, 2, 3. Down. 1, 2, 3. What you don't want to do